Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amusement right here, and basically what this is a 12-in-1 handheld steam mop. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is basically what the packaging looks right here. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like and what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what actually looks like inside. So there's definitely a lot of stuff inside right there, but let's take all of it out. Alright, so they probably got one of the actual pads right here. If you actually want to strap it in, if you can see there's two strap options. Right here they probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and also how to use it. Right here they probably got a little measuring cup, so definitely put the water inside here, so that way it's actually easier for you guys to actually refill the product in terms of the water inside. Right here they probably got a bunch of heads inside right here. So here is number 1, here is number 2, here is number 3, here is number 4, here is number 5, here is number 6, here is number 7, here is number 8, here is number 9, here is number 10, and that is basically everything that's inside this little bag right here. And then right here is probably number 11. So this part right here is the actual steam mop. So let's take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take off the wrapper, this actually looks like right here. So this part right here is actually rotatable up and down and left and right as well. And also for this steam mop right here, if you guys want to push it all the way, you can definitely lock it like that and just put it on the ground. So that way actually stands up, which is definitely pretty convenient. If you see in the bottom right here, they already have the pad already set up right here. And we see on the side right here, they actually have this accessory on the side. And basically what that is for you guys to actually use it on carpet. But when you guys are not using carpet, you guys want to take this off. And if you guys want to take this part out, it's really easy as well. Just peel it off. But this one right here also has the strap option. So when you guys use the product, you definitely want to actually strap it in. So just like this. Just strap it around the product right here. Do the same thing for other side as well. So basically for the inside right here, they already have these little spikes right here to actually hold the product in place. But they probably got the strap option right here to actually hold it even better, which is definitely pretty cool. So this is basically what the product looks right here. There is some more stuff inside, so let's take all of it out. Alright, so next up we have right here is the actual handle part right here. It's all nicely wrapped up. Let's take it out. Alright, so once we take it out, this actually looks right here. So you see right here we do have the handle part right here. So if you guys press this button right here, that will actually activate the steam on here. And then for this part right here is where you guys actually tangle up the cable inside right here. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But basically for this part right here, you guys want to insert it to the next part. So I'm actually take off the next part to show you guys what I mean. Alright. So right here we have the last and final part right here. So it's all nicely wrapped up as well. But let's take it out. Alright. So once we take it out, this actually looks right here. So basically have the handle option right here if you guys want to use this option right here. So right here is the switch for you guys to activate the product. So definitely control how high you guys want the steam on here. And then right here we do have a steam button here as well. And then for top part right here is basically where you guys will actually put in the pole or the handle part, which is this right here. So we insert it inside right here. Once you guys lock it in, this actually looks right here. So see right here and right here, that is basically where you guys will actually insert the actual cable right here. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But you see in the middle part right here, they do give you guys the option if you guys want to go like this. So definitely adjust the angle on here if you guys want to, which is definitely pretty cool. And then right here we do have the cable where you guys actually plug in to actually activate the product. And then for the back part right here is where you guys will actually put the water inside. You can definitely pour the water inside right here. And once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up. And basically once you guys fill the water inside, you can definitely see the water inside right here. And then for the bottom part right here is where you guys want to actually insert the head. So if you guys want to use one of the small accessory, you guys want to put this inside right here first. And make sure it snaps in. So once you guys put in this part right here, you guys want to put this next accessory inside right here. So just like that. And once you guys have it in, you can definitely use like that. Or if you guys want to use another accessory on top. So for example, like one of these heads right here, you can definitely insert right here. And it's all set. But definitely one thing to remember is that when you guys put any of these heads on, you need to lock it just like that. And same with this part as well. And once you guys put this part on, this actually looks right here. So the same rule applies to any of the other heads that they provide for you guys as well. But if you guys don't want to use this one and you guys want to use the actual steam mop, let me actually take all of this off and show you guys how to put that on. And you basically want to just insert this part inside right here. Once you guys fully set it all up, this actually looks right here. So like I mentioned, if you guys want to actually push this part up and just lock it in place, you can definitely put it flat down on the ground. It actually stands up, which is definitely pretty convenient. So that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually go plug it in to show you guys how to use it first, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so see I have a steam mop all set right here. So first what I want to do is pour some water inside first. Alright, so we want to open the back part right here. And basically want to pour the water inside right here. Alright, so that should be a good amount just for now. We're going to close back up the lid. And then what you have to do now is just plug in the cable. Alright, so once you plug it in, you guys want to turn it on in the bottom part right here. Alright, So we got everything all set right here. So basically what I'm doing now is press this button on top. So in here it's starting to warm up already. Alright. So there definitely is steam, but not enough yet. So right now I look at the floor, it's definitely pretty wet because of the steam that's coming out from it. If I can see from the bottom part here. And definitely the cool thing about using your steam mop, it doesn't have any chemicals on here. All you guys are using is just water. And also in here, when we actually use it, it's not that loud. It's actually pretty quiet. So if you guys want to use it in the morning when people are still sleeping, you definitely can. And the cable is definitely pretty long as well, if you can see how far it can go. Alright, so let's say when you guys are done using it, you basically want to actually unplug the cable. And you guys want to tangle up the cable right here. So just like that. So that way the cable is all organized. If you see the back part here. And when you guys are ready to use it again, just untangle it. And also, like I mentioned, for the steam mop right here, it definitely has the option for you guys to actually put it up like this. So that way you guys have a hands-free experience. And you definitely lean against the wall or something, which is definitely pretty cool. So that is basically what the product looks like and how well it works. Eventually, it definitely works pretty well. And definitely, if you guys want to actually bend the product, you can definitely go like this. So that way you can bend it and go underneath like the table or something, which is definitely pretty convenient. Alright, welcome back, guys. So nice quick test of product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So obviously you can see in the video I only use the steam mop option. If you guys want to use any of the other accessories, you definitely can. So if you guys want to steam like your clothes, if you guys want to clean stuff, you definitely use any of the other accessories that they provide for you guys as well. And obviously, like I mentioned, it definitely works a lot better for hardwood floors than carpet. But if you guys want to use it for carpet, you definitely can. Just remember to use the accessory that they provide for you guys in the package I showed you guys earlier. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Not a unboxing and testing product, not an question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality steam mop to use at home to clean off the floor. Especially if you guys have any stains or whatever. Definitely using any kind of steam mop is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.